Hello dear Cancerians, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Charo and this is a general love reading for all the Cancerians, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. And keep in mind these are general readings, so it might or might not resonate with you. And the second thing that the roles can be reversed anytime, the energies can be reversed anytime, okay? And yes, this is a reading from 22nd of July till 31st of July, okay? So let's start quickly. Yeah. Cancerians, let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is Ace of Wands, yeah. So this person is highly attracted towards you. Cancerians, for some of you, I'm getting this. And the second thing I want to say, you people, that this person might be traveling a lot or might be starting something that is very action oriented, or they want to have a brand new start in this connection with you. But this is non-committal energy. This is what they are doing right now. Okay, let's clarify the Ace of Wands in their current energy. Let's see, Cancerians. Let's clarify the Ace of Wands in their current energy. This card just jumped out. Okay, so we will consider it. The second card, Judgment. Ten of Pentacles. You could be dealing with an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, so Cancerians, I feel like this person is highly conflicted. They are feeling like they are in some kind of mental jail. They are not able to come out of this conflicting situation. They are constantly thinking about it 24/7, and they are feeling like you should forgive them. They feel like you should forgive them, and start this connection, and be in a stable and long term committed relationship with them. I didn't see any commitment here, but yes, I feel like after this start, after this beginning, all they want from you is a long-term committed relationship. They want you to forgive them because right now they are mentally conflicted. They are not able to come out of this jail. They are not able to come out of your thoughts. They are thinking about you 24/7. They are feeling like you should forgive them and start this connection all over again and be in a committed and stable relationship with them. Yeah. So, Cancerian, let's see your current energy. What's your current energy? Cancerians, your current energy right now is, let's see, oops, Lovers. So Cancerians, I feel like you could be dealing with a Gemini. I feel like you're highly attracted towards somebody and you're not able to take any kind of decision regarding this particular connection with somebody. This is attraction. This is card of attraction. This is card of love, but this is card of decision as well. That you have to take any kind of decision. Might be you're not able to take any kind of decision, or might be you are having some kind of third party situation here. Might be you are having two people at the same time, and that's why you're not able to decide. Let's clarify. Let's clarify the lovers in your current energy, Cancerians. Okay, seven of swords, the magician, and the two of pentacles. Now I'm clear that you are dealing with two people at the same time right now, and you are not able to understand which one is the best one for you. This is like you are hiding something from someone, and you are manifesting that you should take a decision. You are manifesting that you should stop this juggling that you are doing right now. You are juggling between two people. You are not able to, might be not juggling between two people, might be you're juggling between, if is this the right person for me, is he the one for me, should I just stay with them, or should I just leave them or move on? This is the thing. There is something that is hidden. There is something that you're hiding from them. Might be you're hiding your emotions from them. Might be you're hiding somebody, some person from them. But yes, for most of you, I feel like there's a third party situation here, and you are manifesting that you should be able to take some kind of decision regarding this connection with them. This is your current energy. Might be it's their energy. You know better, right? Cancerians. So let's see what this person feels for you, what they feel for you. Let's see. Okay. Eight of Pentacles. I feel like this person wants to put in the effort, put in the energy, and put in the work in this connection. I told you before as well, this person wants a long-term committed relationship with you. And this person right now feels like they should give this connection another chance, and they should put in the effort, put in the energy, put in the work from their side to make this connection work out in the long term. Okay, so let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles in their feelings for you. Might be there's somebody else, something else that they want to do with you. That's why we need to clarify. Let's clarify. Moon could be dealing with the Pisces. Lovers again could be dealing with the Gemini. Gemini is 100% for some of you. And the World. Okay. This person is fearing like you are not attracted to them, or you are not able to take any kind of decision regarding this connection, and you might end this connection. This person is living in this fear that your attraction or your love for them will end, or you are going to break up with them, or you are going to leave them and walk away. So that is why this person wants to put in lots of effort and lots of energy from their side to make this connection work out. They are feeling very fearful. They are feeling like you are going to run away, you are going to walk away, you are going to choose the other person over them. They are right now very very fearful about this connection. They are very very fearful about you walking away from them. This is what is happening, and they are feeling like you are going to end this connection soon. Might be you are going to according to them, might be you are going to select the other person. Okay, so that is why this person is feeling like they should put in effort, put in energy, put in everything that they could in this connection and make this connection work out. They are deeply deeply in this sense of working out with you, not like working out like in gym, like in this connection. Okay, so let's see what this person wants from you. This is a complicated thing that they are going through right now. Forgiveness. This person wants forgiveness from you. You remember they want forgiveness in their current energy. There was forgiveness. Judgment card is card of forgiveness. And as what they want from you, judgment card. Again, they want forgiveness in this connection. They want reconciliation in this connection. Can you see three people here and a kid here? So it is basically death and rebirth. So this person wants you to forgive them and just be in this stage of keeping the past in the past and start all over again. So these are the people that are coming out of graves. Okay, so this is their second birth. So this person wants you to give this connection second chance without thinking about the past or without thinking about anything that was not working out in the past. This is what they want from you. Let's clarify the judgment card. Although I'm doing cancer reading here, I am not feeling like I'm doing this for Cancerians. I don't know why. Because this is something different from the previous reading, right? I did for Cancerians like 6-7 days ago. Okay, so Ace of Pentacles, the Empress, and the Ten of Wands. Okay, so this person wants forgiveness from you. This person wants reconciliation with you. This person wants to start this connection all over again. I told you, and this person wants you to look good, to feel good about yourself, and to be in a kiddish joy. No, not to be very very serious about this connection right now. They want you to take it lightheartedly, take everything lightheartedly, and remove the burden from your shoulders. This is basically what they want from you. They want you to release this burden that you are feeling because of this connection, because of the past situation, and they want to start this connection all over again. This is the Ace of Pentacles, this is the Empress, this is the Ten of Wands. Okay, this is the thing. I can't like hold it like that. Yeah, so this person basically wants a brand new start in this connection, and they want you to take this connection light-heartedly right now. Don't go so serious about this right now, about anything right now in your life, and just give them a chance. Okay, let's see what to expect from this person, or what is coming towards you from this person's side till 31st of July. Let's see. Seven of Swords. There's something that is coming out to light in front of you. This is the Seven of Swords. There's something hidden from you. Okay, there's something hidden from you, or there's some kind of secret coming out in light till 31st of July. This is Seven of Swords coming out for you. There's some kind of secret. Might be there's some kind of hidden energy. Might be you're self-deceptive. Might be they're self-deceptive. Might be they're healing. Trying to hide their feelings from you. Let's clarify the Seven of Swords. Why to make any kind of judgments without clarifying? Let's see. Six of Swords, Temperance, Four of Pentacles. So yes, this person is trying to hide their feelings for you, from you. Okay, yeah, this is what they're trying to do. I don't feel like they're hiding any kind of person from you or any kind of third party situation here from their side. But yes, this person is being self-deceptive. They are trying their best to hide their feelings from you. This because this is the Four of Pentacles. This is holding back. So all they feel like is just to move forward a calmer phase, and then they will connect with you, because right now they are trying their best to be patient, very very patient, and trying to control their temper, control their anger. If they are feeling, sometimes they are feeling angry towards you, and they are trying to control their anger, control their temper. Okay, really patient, really being patient and holding back, trying to be self deceptive that they don't love you and they don't have feelings for you. But yes, they will try their best to hide this from you, but this will eventually come out in light that they have lots of feelings for you. Okay, this is the situation here. Okay, so thank you so much, Cancerians, for tuning in. God bless you. Namaste. I'll see you soon in the next video. God bless you. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Bye.